Guys, ni para correr. Look what I brought, the shoes I brought. Ryan Little. Guys, we're here at the pumpkin patch, but we just don't know if it's card or only cash. We didn't be no cash in that one. Y ahorita there's not a lot of cars. When we come out, it's gonna be packed already. So let's get off and see. We're gonna ask for. Look, my sister. Guys, we saw a state trooper over there and we got scared. I got scared already. I was like, because we want to come see the pumpkin bitch. Aquí doy, amiga. Yeah, let's ask first. So I guess it is card. Oh, look, dragon fruit. If I might eat over there like an apple or something with caramel, I can't eat too much, so I'm just gonna get one back. Most probably, or look at them, I don't know. I got my protein shake. We still have to keep ourselves protein. My hair fixed it, but I feel like I have too much hair on my face or something. Yeah, it's like vinegar, I think. On my pupusa and my stickers and stuff. It's hot. Please. Now I have to peel it off, like the school. And this one? Hello. Oh, it's so short. Oh, so we're in here. Look it. Oh, qué bonito. Oh, that's hi, cow. Hi. I wonder if we can touch it. Who cares? Oh, ¿por qué está yendo? Oh, he got scared. Ernie. Se llama Ernie. Hi, Ernie. Hi. He's a mini one too. He's short. You want to pick which family, sis?
Yeah, I would love to take
Oh, Chibi. I know.
I remember that smell.
Look, that one's pregnant. Oh, I want to see a baby, like small baby. Oh. He blushed. Hello. Hi, I want to pet it, but I'm scared. Hello. Sad. He's got a bite. I want to touch his little up here, but I'm scared.
No, get the mama.
Cute. Hi, so cute. Okay, they don't bite.
Sure.
Hi. Just the top of their head, though. Hi.
Yeah, saqué foto de tú.
Hi, sheepies. That's a girl and that's a dude. Yeah. Oh, snap. Stick her whole head out.
You did it over here because there's no little like.
You want a pumpkin? Huh?
We already got pumpkin. You want the honey bun? Oh no, that's the sugar. ¿Quieres probarla?
No quieres share, no con mucho.
¿So the honey bun one?
Sí, o querías nieve. O no es mucho, ¿verdad? Orange to it? How it
No,
is,
es mitad de un bunny one ahí.
It's a mini one. There's little ones. It's
Bueno.
good?
Son las únicas que ya están a hyper.
We're in a food coma now. I did not finish my pumpkin roll, but it's so good. I'll eat it probably later. Whew, that shake was so good. But it was, I know I'm not supposed to eat too much sugar, but it was good. So I just got out. Nah, I did not just get out of work. I got out at 2:15 and 34. I was at the tienda. I went to go buy some more of my protein. They weren't that cheap. Like last time they were buy one get one free. Today they were buy two for $6, which is still kind of caro, $3 a piece. But they're regularly. Ooh, I think they went up. They're regularly $4.99. Like $5, girl, for one of these. Like, I'd rather waste $6 on two. It's fine because I'm actually like, these are actually the ones I've been drinking, and these have been helping my protein, getting a protein. Right now I got a seller from Publix. It feels kind of, I don't know if it's kind of greasy. What is that? Or like, I don't know what they add in their salads. Food. And then I went to next door to Dollar Tree. So Dollar Tree, I found those little apples, glass apple juice, but I only found one. Ugh, I was like searching, like, is there more? I know they sell them at Publix, but they're caro. They're like probably like the same as these, like 4 freaking little things. Ready? Look at the cuarto that I ate of this. I'm gonna probably give it to my man. I'll probably eat it mañana. Finish eating it. Guys, I just came from Marshall. I'm back at Walmart. I think every time I record, I'm always at freaking Walmart. But like, Walmart is like the cheapest place, kind of. So I came here to buy like tapatio. You know, Mexican stores, they sell them so caro. Here's like probably like one something or two. So I came here. I'm gonna get some chiles and vinagres as well. And that's the only thing I came here for. But I went to Marshall today and I found some goodies. I was actually looking for that pink body wash, goat milk, but I didn't find it. Somebody freaking took it. So I found two of them, like the regular and the like a honey one. So I got the honey one. Let me show you which one I got. I'm looking because it's dangerous right now. So this is the goat one I got. It's a body wash, nourishing with manuka honey. So it was just $7.99, which is not bad, and it smells so good. The regular one smelled like powder, so I was like, I can like wait on that one. So this one smells a little bit much better. I was there for an hour, like every freaking time it happened. Then I had to get me a case because I always wanted a wiggly case, and I always see it and I'm like, nah, I don't need it. But you know what, I'm gonna get it. So wobbly case. And then I saw these cute little toppers for the phone. So freaking cute. Look at the gatito one. I don't know which one. I'm in between the bear one to put on top of my phone or this one. They're so cute. And then the bags, you can see the little butts. Girl. And I just wasted $27 in there, which was not bad. That's everything I got at Marshall's. And now I'm going to Walmart. It's not as busy. And then I'm gonna go to Aldi's because I need to go buy fruta. So that's what I'm doing right now. I have to drink that whole thing before I get home because I do not drink enough water. I forget. But I'm gonna get off and see how it is here. But yeah, You know, I have everything. Guys, need para correr. Look at what I brought, the shoes I brought. Y me cuesta harto to walk and then váyame corriendo with it because voy a dejar la pinche. I'm gonna leave a freaking slipper ahí de vaquita. Guys, I just got out of the clinic. I got blood taken out once again, and I actually got a little souvenir. They gave me this cute little hat. Actually didn't want to rip it in there. Let me see what it is. She said it's like it's a hat, but it's really in there. Oh, my brazo hurts. Oh, it's a cute hat. Today's prayer. Seek his will in all you do, and he will show you which path to take. This is cute. I'll put this on my Facebook feed and my Instagram. It's cute. Gonna guardarlo. The little hat, so cute. Cure all. Oh, it's so beautiful. Surely gonna wear. Should I wear it right now? It's so cute. It's still a bit flat on my head, but my head is always, it's flat. Like, it's just flat head. So cute. I just need to style it, but I can't be twisting my arm. It hurts, so I'll do that later. Look, it's getting tighter. Okay, I'm not gonna twist my arm, be like this. Actually, I go to work at 4 and it's about to be 3, so I'm gonna go pick up my cava. I ordered cava, but I did not order the big tray because nunca me lo acabo. And then I leave it in the fridge and it gets all nasty afterwards. So I don't like it. So I ordered the kids meal that just comes with like a little bit. So that's what I'm eating right now because I'm starving morbid. And I go to work and I get out at 8 at night, so I'm not gonna have time to eat. So I'm gonna eat before I go in. Let's see what time I get to work actually. Because I go in at 4 and it's about to be 3. So let's see how traffic is right now. I'm in Brandon, so you know how that is. If you live here, it's a busy road. I'm gonna go pick it up. I can't even close my hand. To be like this. Take off. Guys, so I just got here to work and it's 3:38, so I actually had to get eating. I got my cava and let's see how this kid tray looks because my first time getting this shrimp, so it's kind of like what is going on. Ooh. So I got some carrots on the side. I didn't want to get pitas just because, oh look, it did have it. Okay, so I got my dill yogurt, I think, something like that. I'll put it here if I remember, but it's like a dill yogurt dressing and some red hummus. So good thing they left it there. Okay, let's see. Ooh, the little bowl looks so cute. This is how it's looking. It has these little carrots because I could get pitas or carrots. Got that. Let me take this off. And some rice, and then that. It's a lot of food for $7. That's a good price. Oh, damn, why is my Apple Watch so dirty? But yeah, and I got my sauces and my munch out right now. Carrots are not always good, but I'll do. That is my apple. They're so good. Oh, and I got little mini drink. So this is their new pineapple mint. It tastes kind of weird, like, I don't know.